Hey guys, just thought I would send you a video of my garden. It's freaking crazy. When I left, like the tallest thing in here was the corn, and it was like knee height. Now, I mean, like these are my beans, and they're just absolutely loaded with beans. I got some cucumbers. We got kohlrabi. Man, these bad boys are really taking off. We got some kohlrabi. We got these are really awesome peas. They're called purple mist peas. It's absolutely loaded, but like, look at this corn. It's like it's easily 8 feet tall. It's insane. It already has massive cobs on it. I've got wicked spaghetti squash. There's some Brussels sprouts over there. These are my potatoes. My mom was saying she dug a hill of potatoes yesterday, and she got basically 3 gallons off of one hill, and it's like not even the second week of August yet. We've got some insane beets here. I got carrots mixed in. I got some really nice carrots as well. And the thing I'm most excited about is I tried growing some onions from seed this year, like direct seeding into the garden. And I can't believe how big they are. Like, this is a freaking game changer. This variety, which was Ailsa Craig onions. So that's a freaking game changer for being able to direct seed onions and not have to buy those bulbs every year. So all the things that I planted in this garden are all heirloom, open pollinated. So basically I can save the seed from them and they'll come true to type, because I was trying to come up with like basically a garden that I could grow every year, not having to buy seeds. So yeah, I'm super. Look at the size of this. No, it's a bigger one here. Look at the size of that freaking spaghetti squash. Not even August or middle of August yet. There's even one hanging in the corn there. Anyways, I thought you guys would enjoy that. Rob,